Hi guys, today I've just finished a Guestnoob art and I decided to make a time-lapse video about it. I hope you guys enjoy this edit. Your final challenge is to stop me from making more Guestnoob art.
I'm not gay. If I was, I want equal rights.
Evil Leafy at 3 a.m. Flower called Evil Leafy at 3 a.m. and now she's Evil Flower. So let's call Evil Leafy and see what happens. Oh gosh, Fiery, I'm scared.
Done.
It's just Evil Leafy, baby.
Hope you guys like it. My fucking
Evil
finger
Leafy's number
hurts.
is 666.
Buy all my gay balls.